tonight we're making some shrimp salad sandwiches. So it's gonna be pretty easy, pretty quick, and I've already done a lot of the prep. But to kind of take you through what we've got about a pound of shrimp that I've already cooked. Just throw it in some boiling water for a couple minutes. I've got some, they're called French steak rolls. I like them because I like the shape of them and they're soft. And I think they'll be just fine for what we're making. We've got a little bit of butter to brown up the rolls. We've got a 1/4 cup of scallions, about a 1/4 cup of celery. We got some Worcestershire, I think I pronounced that right. Some lemon juice, some garlic salt, some rice vinegar, some Old Bay, and about, excuse me, about a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Although I like mine kind of mayonnaise-y, so I put a little bit more in there. Do what you want. All right, so we're just gonna mix this up real quick. Like I said, I'm trying to respect your all's time a little bit because I realized 30 minutes of watching me babble on incessantly might be a little much. So, you know, figured I'd pick something nice and easy. So today is the 3rd of January. Just getting done through the holidays. Hope everybody had a good holiday. This is one of the very first ones that didn't have to work. So while I'm not happy about the reason, I'll take it. All right, so throw the mayonnaise in there. I may not use all these scallions. That looks very scallion-y, and that might have been over a 1/4 cup. I'm not gonna lie, I did not measure. Throw the celery in there. Like I said, if it's too much, whatever this, you know, then add some more mayonnaise. Just a little splash of Worcestershire. Do a little splash of lemon juice. Some people really swear by, you know, fresh lemon juice, so do you, but I think it's fine just to use bottle. A little bit of that. Some garlic salt. Oh yeah, black pepper. Which I keep over here now. Although, I'll show you what I got for Christmas. My sister-in-law got me some badass shit. Which is like a meat tenderizer for, you know, barbecuing and stuff like that. I'm gonna get the stove going on my cast iron skillet. I'm just gonna do the rolls in there. I'm not doing any real cooking in there today. I'm gonna mix this up. I did not throw the Old Bay in there, I just realized, so get a little bit of that going. This is brand new, so I gotta open this bad boy up. So, didn't really do much for the holidays. Had my my younger son and my daughter down for Christmas Eve, and then we went up to see my oldest son and his girlfriend on Christmas Day, so that was delightful. And then, you know, just kept it low key. Had a Harry Potter marathon, so that was lovely. Usually we do Star Wars, but my wife is a Harry Potter freak, and so I'm gonna add a little bit more mayonnaise. You know, it makes my wife happy. I'm happy to. I'm not opposed to Harry Potter or anything. Mix that in nice and good. Check the heat. Sounds like my wife just got home, so you guys might hear a little ruckus with the dogs. We shall see. And a little bit, excuse me, I'm not sick. I don't know why I'm coughing. And a little bit more Old Bay. My dogs disappeared. Usually they're hanging around down here. If you've watched it all, you'll see Taffy make regular appearances, to the point I should probably list her in the credits. Hey, speaking of credits, shout out to Jeff Claney and Clapboard Productions for taking care of all my editing and stuff like that, because I'm just a dumb monkey and I don't really know how to do that stuff, so he helps me out quite a bit. Hi. All right, so that's all mixed up. We're gonna get the shrimp mixed in. I might pick too small of a bowl. We're about to find out if the shrimp starts flying. So my wife just got back from the melting pot because tomorrow is my younger son's birthday, and he's gonna be 19, and he had wanted fondue for dinner on his birthday, but seeing as I work, and he's having 2 of his good friends over to hang pretty much all week. And those dudes are like 6'8" or whatever, they're big dudes. I didn't really want to make fondue for so many people. So she thought getting melting pot, this is like the last time they're gonna do takeout. So we're doing like the cheese and chocolate kind of stuff. So anyway, she just got home from grabbing that. And as you all know, Mrs. Fry doesn't make appearances on the show. But she says hi. Okay. Need to take a quick break, do something. So now, we'll warm up our butter like I said we were going to. We're also going to put some black pepper in here, like I said I was going to. Neither one of which I did. Well, actually, I did warm up the butter, but I was in the middle of something, and I burnt the butter. It happens. So, mix a little black pepper in there. Get that going. Not gonna lie, I'm a little frustrated for like the last 30 minutes because my tripod is broken. Dogs were in the way. Burnt the butter. Good time up here. All right. So, like I said, hopefully everybody's had good holidays, all that. We're gonna throw some bread in there now. Get that going. Awesome. Cool. My dogs are gonna be going ape shit now because they've decided they want to play right now, so you might hear that going on. So really, I like to get that in there and let it brown up a little bit. So everything's mixed, buns are all browned up, and so now we're gonna serve it up. This looks pretty good. I'm just throwing it on there. Nothing too fancy tonight. Just throw it on there too. Alright, some pasta salad. I'm gonna be honest. I did not feel like making pasta salad tonight. So, I got it from the deli. They're not real hard to make. That being said, I mean, I've made pasta salad before, and it is not real tough to make. So, but I just wanted a real quick and easy dinner. And as you can see, and as I've said before, like I'm not the perfect chef. I'm not a chef, and so I'm here to show you that it's okay to screw some stuff up, and it'll still come out all right. So hope you enjoyed this. Catch us on, if you're watching on YouTube, but follow me on Instagram at Freyguys Kitchen over there, or on TikTok as well. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.